I'm just doing some different lines, not going straight. We're just like little serpentines back and forth just to keep them with me. Yeah, good. My seat bones and sit up a little bit would be nice, huh? Yeah, good boy. He's showing willingness to go forward. He's being a bit reluctant at the mounting block. He's just trying me here and there, so seeing what the new requirements are, I think. So that's all right. And we just press on. My seat was blocking for a minute there. I'll loosen my seat up. Yeah. There we go. Side steady rein. Nice. There we go. Good. 20-meter circle here. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, good. Good boy. Resistance. I kind of expected it since he was being naughty at the mounting block. There we go. So keep him breaking free and go back to what we were doing. Yeah. Yeah, good. Yeah, good. Let's go back to the circles. Good. 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 Yeah, there you go. There you go. Good. Yeah. Good boy. You're fine. Good boy. Good. Good boy. I know. It's a little windy. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's what we wanted. Good boy. Easy. Try a center line. Hoop. Hoop. Good boy. That was nice. That was very nice. Good boy. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I know. We haven't done that before, huh? A good idea if we do it before we go to the show. Good. Come on. You're fine. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. You're fine. Yeah. 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 You're trying. Yeah. Good. Good. That's better. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, that's much better. Yeah. Easy. That's it. Easy, easy, Yeah, good. 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 That's good. So if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, and ding the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thanks for watching.